Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will be sharing with you how I make my KUNUN GYADA the SHINKAFA, also known as groundnut and rice drink. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you, and please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you, and let's get started. To begin, pour in 2 cups of jasmine rice into a bowl, add in some water that will cover it, leave it to soak for about 30 minutes. Once done, you set it aside. Next, in a clean pot, add in some water, cover and bring to a boil. While we are waiting for the water to boil, now let's go ahead and give the soaked rice a properly wash. For this recipe, I'm using jasmine rice. Basically, the Northerners have a special rice for this recipe. In case you don't have it like me here, okay? Use any rice available. You can also soak it overnight if that is how you prefer yours. You can see we are done with the rice. So next, transfer the washed rice into the pot. Give it a stir and start to cook until soft. Make sure you keep an eye on it so it doesn't get burnt. Next, in a different bowl, soak the tamarind with some warm water and set aside. The Northerners call it tsamiya, right? If you don't have the tamarind, you can replace it with lemon or lime juice, okay? In another bowl, add in some peanut butter, add some warm water to it, mix it well until it is well dissolved, yeah? You can also use roasted groundnuts, peel off the skin, then pour the groundnut into a blender, add just little water and blend until you get a smooth paste. Once I'm done dissolving the peanuts, now pour it into my chiffon cloth and start to extract the liquid out. As you can see, I'm done. So now you set it aside. Now let's check on the pot. You can see the rice is well cooked and soft. Give it a stir, then pour in the groundnut juice. Stir until it is well combined. Then cover the pot and let it cook very well and begins to thicken. Set on a medium heat. You have to watch it closely to prevent it from splitting. Keep stirring from time to time to avoid lumps. Next, here is the soaked tamarind. You can see what I'm doing. I use my clean hands to separate the flesh from the seed. Yeah, now sieve the liquid out and set aside. Now let's check on the pot. You can see it has thickened and done. Add the tamarind or lemon lime juice, stir and cover the pot for like 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute now. It is ready, guys. Give it a properly stir and turn off the heat. Now it is time to add in the sugar. Here I am using brown sugar. Mix to combine. You can use any sweetener of your choice, and it is ready to be served. It can be served with akara, bread, or in whichever way you prefer enjoying yours. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video and remain blessed.